Alright, here we go. Got this one all done. Didn't get a chance to do it before video. It was pouring down rain, lightning, you name it, we had it. It was crazy. Got her all done. Wasn't too bad. It was pretty clean. Just doing a spring cleaning. Getting ready for summer. We're going to give it a good polish and some wax. Clean the inside up. Inside wasn't too bad. Pretty clean. Wasn't too bad. Keep it pretty clean. These videos will get better later on when summer comes. Me and my friends will be doing more stuff, more car shows, more cool cars, more events. Just getting started with this channel. Still working everything out. Let me know what you think either way. I'm trying, so just tell me what you think anyway. Start doing more stuff. Just work in progress. Still trying to figure everything out. So, alright. Catch you guys later. Thank you.